Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes thunderchief building action. Without the drama. Guess what, people? I'm still saying it. I had to put some more filler on there, but they're actually pretty small spots, and I'll be able to still do my panel lines. But I'm going to get to drawing them on there today. I'm using real firm sanding block, really firm. And that's still on my 220 paper. Ain't done getting it flat yet. Not time for shiny. Well, it'll look good after this sanding. I laid a pretty heavy coat on it last night. Primer. Well, I was looking at the contest calendar this morning. Dang jet meet in Arizona next weekend. That's a long way from my house, so it's like a 20-hour drive. I don't think I'll be going to that. I'd like to. I bet it's nice there. Ain't too hot. Hey, what me and Balcom was talking, I'd really like to go to Florida Jets this spring. The 105 to Florida Jets. I've never been there. I'd like to go at least once. You know? Heard them great big one. I've never been to a great big one like that. I went to, Southwest Fan Fly or Jet Rally a few times, and I've never really had a big waiting line to fly. I hear some of them big ones, man, there's a big old line to wait to fly. I don't know. I heard that about Kentucky Jets too. Shoot, we didn't have that problem. And Southwest Jet Rally, even though there was a lot of people there, anytime we wanted to fly, I guess there was a waiting line there a couple times, not a very long one. A couple people. I've heard they go 10 people deep. A bit more off this back edge. Now this is taking me a little bit longer than I thought to get all these parts ready. Thanks for some boring videos, but hey, been watching Oprah or Dr. Phil. I sure would like to take the 105 to Florida Jets this spring. Really like to take the B1, maybe next year. But it's supposed to be cutting out them parts for long. Some people just ain't got time, Well, landing gear should be getting here today. Gets here, I'll make another video and show it to you. Just sending one of the mains. But that's really all I need to lay a set of wings. But I want to get these molds done first. I've undecided I want these molds done, all of them. So I'm going to stick to the plan. You know, I got everything to do it. I had to go. Remember that bucket of resin I just bought? That one right there? I just bought that when I was laying up the second half of the fuselage mold. I got half of that fuselage mold and my wing molds, and that bucket's gone. About that much left in the bottom of it. I had to go get another bucket of resin. I sure didn't think it'd take that much. But I guess, you know, we used it for our top coat too, you know, so that's why I use so much of it. But I had to get another bucket. But the bright side of that is I'll have enough left over to make up about 10-15 jets. Bought a big old roll of cloth. Bam! That dude looks good. That dude is flat and it is smooth. I can go ahead and put my panel lines on that, because most that'll be covered up, you know. Well, Florida Jets is in May, so it's still a couple months off. It sure wouldn't be nice to go. We're thinking about it. Get out and meet some fans from Florida. Now there's a couple of you out there. Anyone out there from Florida? Big old feet in the way. Y'all got the biggest feet I ever seen. This 10 minutes about up. So I'll make us another video when Paul's gear gets here. Till then, we will see you in the shop. I'm still here. I'm talking to myself. Man, that dude is flat.